everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with China. Big up to all lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. Wagwan, wagwan, Hanada, how things. Happy Wednesday. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads. You don't have to torture yourself to watch everything, you understand? But a minute or two, if you can spare that, I would really appreciate it, as the ads is what really helps us to earn a revenue here on YouTube. So if you don't watch my ads, me's like Ali but no here I work for nothing. You feel me? So yeah, I want to watch the ads. Support a girl, I'll watch the ads. Alright, so we have three main things that we're gonna talk about in this video. We're gonna touch little Pretty Dana. We're gonna touch Auntie Dana and Ramesh and the whole saga where people are tell Lady D if you come, you know, come say something. I'm gonna congratulate Lady D. I'm gonna start with the good news first. We're gonna start with the good news first. Yes, alright, this so. It has how to do. Haters, how on do? On keeping up? Haters, on still can't keep up with Blanca Bass. Haters, on still can't keep up. My God, haters, on working overtime, on also gonna get all pan Lady D name. From 2019, now we're going into 2025, on still gonna get all up and wrinkle up and ugly panda woman name. And with all you guys doing, it's not working. I don't know, give up. Why you not determined? You not determined. If someone who ain't determined in a marriage, in a relationship, in a put them life like how determined in a this woman life, things that are better off for you. You wouldn't have time for your room social media like a ghost. Eh? If you don't put out all of that, the determination the in a phone life, things would have better for you. You probably would have dear Lady D level or pass it. You know, look, they are gone. Lady D gone a lead now, you know. I take Lady D take off, you know. They don't know sister no can't hold her again. They all of the girl up in that you know been doing all these years. All of the run up and down everything. Well, no, I do. You not tired. Massy God, all of them must fit. All of them must fit the amount of road you know run up and down if you try drag down this woman and tear down this woman. Eh? Anyways, but here to run my pass over Lady D yard last night. My loves, I'm going to up in a good news. Me said them are good things here galang in a planka shop. And me over YouTube in a casa. And me ever saw a waste time pan dirty bongo people who are texted pa me. And them are good things here galang. Eh? No, sir. No, sir. I want thing me have to say to my loves. If any haters over here, on a brace on yourself. If you no asthmatic, draft on asthma pump. If you no easy to feed, make sure you no have like a smelling salt, like a beer rum. I want dirty stinking boot them. I saw them say my love. If you feed them, put one dirty boot over you. No, me no know ya man. Me no remember. You know, remember, but just have a dirty boot side out, no, just in case after you hear them and use it on a faint. You understand? You know, have a local glass of water or a medication, anything if you don't collapse or so. You know, if you don't want 2 pound a rope, you understand? If you don't want 2 pound a rope after you hear this, if you don't want to climb up the way and tie it up somewhere and put it round you know where and jump, you know, yeah, I can provide you with the rope. I can provide you with the rope. You don't have to have one a rope. I can provide you with a rope. Yeah, I can bless you with a rope. Take you out of no misery. Yes, my loves, them, you know, yes, my love, come. As me tell you, we top chat people business, my love. We stop chat people business over here. We got the people them yard and we check up if them okay. And in the process of checking up on the people them, if them okay, I must say any little thing, I come tell them, don't tell chat, we chat them. We not chat people over here again, master. When we chat people, it get we not too much bangarang, too much problems, so we top chat people. We step up in our life now, yeah. Then my loves, then me love soy. Then uno no see say Blanca shop gone to another level, you know. Hey, my dear children, me a pass over the last night and me see where they be a woman over there that are the auntie that a woman. I see now where the auntie that a woman me loves come out and she announce something. So me know me love, you know, me sit down and me hold me little quiet corner and I listen. Then me dear children now, you don't know say, the damn bad cake them. Me love them get bossier. Them ain't bossy already, me love. But then get bossier now, them bad cake step up in our life, me dear children. Sooner or later. You understand? Sooner or later, my love, uno go can walk in a any little supermarket or any little grocery place near uno, my love, and pick up one yam bad cake like uno that pick up one cheese tricks, like uno that pick up one juice or something. Yes, my love, they saw it, I go, they saw it ahead. Then uno no now say, yam bad cake reach a airport. Hey, me loves, yam bad cake, the airport. Right over the section there, so where you can get all of your little Jamaican goodies, your Jamaican products them or something. Right over there, so them loves. Yes, me love. Hey, me love. This now go look good for some people. Me no know, me love, some people now go take it well in the airport. No, me love, we been hearing about it. Finally, it reach a airport, me love, by airport shelf. Yes, me love, all kind of people. I see it, all kind of different nations. Me love, all kind of different people, white, black, blue, every different kind of snobby. And in that place, you know, me love, they are one of that place. Me loves. You know one of the top pharmacy in Jamaica, yeah? Hey, me not talk liko pia, me not talk liko pia, since them you know me love. Me attack top pharmacy where all different kind of aristocracies people go me love. All different kind of aristocracies people got them their pharmacy them me love. And no weak pocket no got them their pharmacy them. No broke pocket no got them their pharmacy them me love, yeah. Uptown, downtown, people from all around town got them the pharmacy them I love. If your pocket no heavy, if your pocket not drop on the ground, no looking at them the pharmacy them I love. They don't know no say a right in there, then bad cake cock up on shelf, me loves. Me dear children, right in there, bad cake cock up on shelf. You sit alongside all kind of rich people sitting in there, me love. Then since the galang over planka shop and me sort me love me over there cock up in a dirty bongo business. Hey me love, and them are good things here in a galang in a planka shop. Then somebody couldn't call me and tell me. Hey ma, somebody couldn't call me and tell me. If me mind never tell me no for run galang over planka shop last night, all of this I would have passed me by. Mercy God man. So uno see Friday I come that tomorrow Friday. Friday we are come now. Lady D I go down there. And she go do the promote her something them and I give her samples my love. So any little nearby somebody if you're in the nearby area so uno can start by and go pick up uno name bad something. Me love this now go look good. This now go look good for some people out there on social media. Me love I start feeling for them hey! Me love I start feeling for them already. Uno think I one of them I go wear heart monitor now, me love. Hey, a whole heap of pacemaker go out here. Whole heap of pacemaker go out here, me dear. Me loves, it now go look good for some people. Now go look good. It now go look good and then they one of that place now. Two more of that place, me love. I've done a Maxim supermarket and Brooklyn supermarket. So they have 4 places, my love. 4 places now where me know of my love. So later down now, it a go the all about, my love. And something I will be not hear about all these years, my dear children, and them coming to pass. Them coming to pass. So haters uno lose again, baba. Haters uno lose. Then uno love losey. Make uno wicked to no self, so haters. Make uno blasted wicked to no self, so. Uno realize how no out here touch how no self, baba. Mercy God, man, I make me sorry for no for no doing sorry for no self. And me loves when me sit down and I watch the live last night, you know, man. And I listen. Me love a nearly ball enough. I don't know if me I water near. Me love a nearly ball, man. Me love a nearly ball, especially now when she tell me how she get if he go on the shelf in a Brooklyn supermarket for the man. I go ask them, I go buy them a cake for them a breed of money because the man no know her. Then me say, man, how you feel no know her, sir? How you feel no know her, Mr. Man? You sit down and wonder then who go buy them a cake for them a money. So sorry, you go get the shock of your life in a Brooklyn supermarket. Then you know you're going to get the shock of your life. And the Tory touch me so much, you know, when Lady D said the man in there question her, and then you know somebody go say she work for Birdie too. And to how Lady D sound, it's like I say, you know, the man in this belief, like he man said, then what kind of work you could have do for Miss Birdie? Listening to Lady D, it's like I said, the man did, you know, in doubt. And when him called the Miss Birdie owner now, because according to what Lady D says, the man is his friend, so he called the man out when he hear the good news. When he hear the good news, he get the shock in life. He get the shock in life, you know. Instantly. Near bad cake gone pan Brooklyn supermarket shelf. Instantly. I live a country, but sometimes I go Brooklyn supermarket. So you must know, say, I don't know, far country I live. I live in one of them country that went near town. With a straight drive, probably that take me about an hour. And if me a skate pan toll, like 145 minutes, yes. I skate pan toll with the beast. I joke, but I no beast with skate pan toll. My love, don't listen to me. But I no beast with skate pan toll. But yeah, if we are skate pan the toll, my love is like probably a 45 minutes, depends on the driving. Yes, I just want to say a big, 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 big congrats to Lady D. It no matter what them do, them could have never get you down. It no matter what them do, them could have never get you down. Them can't hold you down. Them can't keep you down. Every day them come upon you with their hold down mouth. Them wash their little dirty mouth upon you. Some of them don't ever have teeth for rattling in their head. Their little slimy gum line. When they come out here, call your name, them out a spray water like a sprinkler. Cause them out sappy and slimy. Every day them come out pan this woman name. Every day. So, unnecessary no can't stop her. Big up to you, Lady D. Big up to you, Lady D, and congrats. And we speaking this into being. We are speak it into existence. Publix or Walmart or any other places up there where Nyambad. It's coming soon. So no look out because Nyambad cakes going places. All right, no, my love. All right. So me no, I see one video I circulate the place with the Mr. Sir Madam. Yes, cause him confused and me was a confused, you understand? So the Mr. Sir or Madam man now that are the pretty Dan. Oh no know him. They see him pretty Dan now. Come out here now. Say him a this up Lady D cake and talk how in Nyambada sinting and Lady D had do too much experiment and fling too much sinting in it, different ingredient. So me a listen. First, my love, when him come out and I talk about the cake them. Me say me not go say nothing about this ya one ya. Me not go say nothing about this ya one ya because everybody have them own taste and them own likeness. Because even me with the whole heap of bakery them, I know the whole of the bun them where they have out them I like, you have some bun when me buy and try already and I will never buy them again and you have other people will like them. So people have different likeness. So me say me not go beat him for that one. And me personally, my favorite so far, cause me not try all of them yet, but the ones them when me try already, my favorite so far is the fruit cake and the coconut cake. Me not too monkey round the sorrel one. Me not too a fan of the sorrel one. My two favorites so far are the fruit cake and the coconut one, my loves. And we see where other people come and they love the sorrel one. You understand? We see where people taste the sorrel one and they love the sorrel one. And hence the reason why I say two different tastes, two different likeness. And true me know how him loud and stay, my loves. Me say, this a pretty dan. If him not like it, him not like it. I just saw it go. But no, me dear children, when me hear him bringing the part now with the mother cake, me say, but wait, man. But wait, this is not sound like I say, a problem, Mr. Pretty Dan Sir Mom have with the lady cake. This sound like is more like a promotion Mr. Sir Mom Pretty Dan doing. This not sound like it's no problem with the cake because you say you named the cake from last year. Why you wait until this year cake season now you come out and talk about it? And at this the woman calling the woman happy ITCH. That is very rude of you, Mr. Sir Madam, you. Very, very rude of you. If you don't like it, you could have come out in a respectful way and say you don't like it. But it's not a matter of say you don't like the cake, Mr. Sir, Madam, you. It's just that you're promoting your mother own. When you're talking about experiment, Mr. Sir, Madam, you, Pretty Dan, you know what? Life itself is an experiment. Life itself is an experiment. Every piece of food where we name an experiment. Them never get up and just say me can make it, so me I go make it. No, them experiment with all kind of different things. So if the lady want experiment for her things to be different from the rest, if she want to have her own unique taste to her into them, then it shouldn't be no problem to a single soul. When you're speaking an experiment now, Sir, Madam, you Pretty Dan. You sound very stupid, very, very stupid. You say a name she out here herself, not the cake, a name. Some of the ugly thing the way a name brand. We overrated. Where the whole of no KILL up on yourself over. And you would do anything possible to get them. Anything possible just to get them. It no matter how them look. Some of the liquor them one who drink with taste like crap. Uno go dance and spend any amount of money to buy them and drink them. If you come bra and flask. Overrated as usual, them overrated. Uno now come out here come class and tear them down and say a experiment, Uno na come say I the names them uno buy just like Gucci, Chanel, Balenciaga, and the whole of them brand there. And name uno buy, you know. And name uno buy because the knockoff them look just like some of the name brand them. I don't know one buy the knockoff, uno buy the brand them. So what uno buy names. But when it come to we as Jamaicans, we love to tear down we own. We not love to build we own. When the rich people them do it, when the money people them do it, is not a problem. When the white people them do it, is not a problem. When other nations do it, is not a problem. But once a Jamaican do it, that's how the problem start. That's how the problem start. And obviously, you know, Pretty Dan. Obviously, you don't know Lady D. You don't know Lady D because you say, if you did go to Lady D and say, Auntie Dana, you know me want you promote that cake for my mother. Pretty Dan, between me and you, she wouldn't say no, you know. Pretty Dan, she would have take you and promote it even more than how she promote for her own cake them. She would have make your mother not have hand for sell cake, Pretty Dan. You don't know Auntie Dana. You come for the promotion, Pretty Dan, but you go about it the wrong way. You come now and try to tear down for the human sin to them in order to promote your mother's own. Pretty Dan, between me and you, that now go nowhere. It now go nowhere. And even if you did come and say to her, Auntie Dana, you know, me buy your cake last year and me never like it. Me I be honest with you, me never like it. And my mother sell some cake, me don't know if you'd have still promote it for me, even though me never like for your own. The heart where that woman have, Pretty Dan, the heart where that woman have, she would have still promote your mother cake for you. So this your little foolishness here where you come out you can do. If you get her to sell 1 dozen cake with that the foolishness there, if you did go to Lady D in the right and proper way and ask her to promote it, sell a flyer for her. Send a flyer to her. Your mother would be selling dozens, hundreds. But you're stupid, Pretty Dan. You feel like say coming out here and joining the masses. Would I draw a crowd to your mother? Cakes them? But what you feel for understand? The people them who love Auntie Dana are the majority. The loudmouth ones them, the empty ones them are in the minority. Them no support nothing where nobody do. Because them empty in a mind, body, brains, and pocket. Them empty everywhere. So enough of Pretty Dan now, my loves. Enough of Pretty Dan. We're moving on. Yes, now my dear children. So you know, with the whole Sintino we galang with the Mr. Romish man. That you know, Auntie Dana manager Romish, yes. With the whole bangarang we galang now with him and the TikTokers them over there and the party and the war and the beat up and the thump down all kind of Sinti. Then me loves uno no say. Them a try if draw Lady D in it. I say Lady D if you come out come say something. How no so tada? What I mean, Lady D, if you come out, come say something pertaining to it. You ever see Lady D at the party them where Rami Shaki? As a matter of fact, you ever see Lady D over here promoting any of the party them? Listen, you see what over TikTok? It's still over TikTok. Don't try it in a planka shop. Planka shop and TikTok not mixing. Ramesh and them young people them in a sinting. What who know draw middle age Dana in it now for? Where it have to do with Dana? I know Dana spread Ramesh bed. A Ramesh spread in bed, you know. Ramesh spread in bed so him have to lay in it. Any consequences when him have to face it. All I know we are called Dana. Uno hear Shensia come out can't say anything about it. Uno hear Ding Dang come out can't say anything about it cause me no hear. So me I ask uno if uno hear. Uno hear any of them come out can't say anything about it. I mean no hear nobody a call them out. So I never know say Dana ain't go upon the cross to save the world. I fear Hannah foot did pierce span the cross. I fear head did wear the thorn of Maca. As she them did give vinegar for drink instead of water. Eh? Why the backside uno call this woman name so? And bam, someone was the Tory drop on the all about by every platform. It's like uno want be the first to put it out there. What Ramesh is Dana manager. No have you run round with all kind of platform and pass it on like a relay button. Then I want to expect to get a trophy. A trophy for be the first one to put it out. Say Ramesh is Dana's manager. Then everybody don't know that already. And who don't know that? No matter what no see a Guana Ramesh, I don't know never see Lady D and none of the TikTokers them over there buck up. She in a fear only in. They are here that do her own thing. And the woman busy sees now she working where the backside don't know what call her out for. I don't know the worst part of it, my loves. The worst part of it, you know. You see, if a lady did take it up on herself and come out, you can't say anything, say she address it. Them same one that run out on the woman, you know, oh, you chat too much. This not concern you. I know bake your fear, bake. You're too enough. You're too free. Come out of young people business. And them same one that come out here can class the woman, you know me. Them same one that come out here can class the woman. So no leave the lady alone and make she mind the business that pays her. Make Ramesh and him TikTokers them fight them battles over there. Lady D no need to come out here and say nothing. She didn't promote no party. He know me love. So Lady D me love. As much as me love when you come out here and chip your head, you know. Me not really like when you go down low, you understand? Me like when your head chip and you come out here and fix them in a the decent way. But Lady D, nobody chip your head again. Me satisfied with the chip them where your head used to chip in the past. Them they will hold me. Now come back and chip your head again, my love. Because a whole heap of things are going for you. Whole heap of things are going for you. And it's obvious whole heap more into the pipeline. And when you come out here and chip your head, you understand when certain kind of aristocracies people see you. Me loves before no go talk about say me can't pronounce word. I know me call them aristocracies a lady D. So me just work with the word. You understand? So a lot of aristocracies people out there, lady D, you don't know who is watching you. I want to work with you. And when you come out, you come make the likes of them, you demon, you drag you down and you come out, you come respond to them. And the aristocracies people, them nobody want to work with you. Them get to sit down and laugh after you. Lady D, hold your head, no make it cheap, hold it. I know people will love pick up things, go fling, go give lady D, no fling nothing, go give the man, no give the man nothing for come chip her head out here. No make the woman focus on building her generational wealth. Anything she don't know about, anything she don't hear, make it turn. If she will hear, she will hear. And for all of the people them who are come out here can tear down the woman for try to build on herself. The same way it can happen for her, or the same way it can happen for no, but somehow no so corrupt and no heart dirty. Uno na grow. Uno na excel. Uno na go know where the only place uno product I go are from the oven to the table. From the oven to the counter. No one then when 1 and 2 might pass through the door. And I know because you know something them no good. And because you know something them no good, you know, and because of how no dirty and stay, or no corrupted and stay. Or no like say other people prosper. Or no like say other people grow. The same way how she win, uno can win too. And uno all back for no winnings, you know. Uno all back for no winnings. Because when uno fi focus on yourself, focus on building, focus on no growth, uno focus the in the wrong places. Uno also help to elevate this woman. Because when you come out here with negativity, when you come out here with no hate, and other people here and want go see who this is somebody I talk about, who this is somebody I degrade, so who this is somebody I discriminate, so make me go look at who and then go look at and them say a total different person, the opposite of what you say. Instantly they start support. If one little opportunity come on our way, instead of sit down and work on yourself, on come out here and show off, oh, I'm going here and I'm going there and this is happening for me when shit not happen for no. And then when the time come now for no prove on yourself, you get on a little break this, you get on a little bus this, you end up on flap. You end up on flap from 2019 until now. Next year, April, I go be 6 years Planka Shop in existence. And I friend them the time they are 6 years of uno life uno waste, you know. 6 whole years of uno life uno waste, you know. I say God, I'm not willing to sit down and waste the rest. But loves me not lie, when me sit down last night, when me hear about Lady D I talk about, you know, the story with she and the Nyambad cake and the owner for the Brooklyn supermarket. And just like that, one phone call, she didn't even have to bother do no interview. One phone call to the owner of Miss Birdie Company, and just like that, Everything signed and sealed. All kind of memories, me love all kind of flashback. The same woman with them talk, oh, when she just come out here, she a draw dirty slippers, one like a piece of dirty slippers and piece of ear catcher. So at the same woman this. At the same woman this. When she just come out here, someone no claim say uno dip on the top of the top. Yeah, uno dip on the top at the top. Which part uno they know? Which part uno they know? She passed the whole on one Ghana lead. The same little woman with the little dirty slippers and the piece of ear catcher head top this so she pass out the whole on one Ghana lead. And uno the back right at the bottom of the barrel a scrape. Uno the back right down at the bottom of the barrel scraping for scrapsies. Me sit down back and me I remember the journey from 2019. Cause from 2019 me I watch. Me remember the journey them from 2019. And me I say look at Gaddy. Look at God, all kind of bump full me up, my love. Goose bump, duck bump, pigeon bump, parrot bump, all kind of bud bump full me up. Cause me I say a further woman here come from. For she a come from. And it was not an easy road for her. A journey rough. She meet it out here past social media. When me come a planka shop, me realize certain things really exist like that out there. Me never see real hate, real jealousy, real bad mind. Me never see that the green-eyed monster there until me come in a planka shop. Me knew if it's existent, but the one them we know are only like minor ones. And when me come here so, I see the amount of people we have come at this woman. Certain type of people me never know so they exist until me start follow planka shop. They make me afraid of social media. I love that's why when I out here I tread with caution. Out here is like you walk on a missile field. You have to be careful where you step because you might step on something we are gonna blast you up. Out here make me afraid for socialize with people off of social media because you don't know who is who. And in a many cases, the good have to suffer for the bad because you don't know what the good ones them different from the bad ones them. Yes, you have genuine people out there, you have loyal people out there, but you just can't trust social media people. But Lady D, just go and hold your head up there, my love. Hold up your banner. Your story going to be one to be told, or your story is one to be told. I mean, know my generations them to come. I go read about you down in a Jamaican Black History book. So for all of the haters them out there fight, uno fighting in vain, uno fighting a losing battle. Give up now. Now going at 2025 with this. Uno use 2025 to build for yourself and put for yourself out there. See, being as you know jealous, I don't want to the which part this woman there. I don't want to do things where this woman I do. Use 2025 to focus on uno. Lego off of all of what you have, all of the hate, all of the weight, all of the burden. The whole of them they are load, The whole of them they are burden one want carry. The hate, jealousy, envious, covetousness, ready eye, and the whole of them they are burden one want carry. The whole of them they are luggage. You know, Lego all of them, they are look how light you go feel and just decide, say, you know this year I gonna be me. This year is going to be me. I don't know we see no part before no wait pound. Just do that. Just try that. If you don't doubt it, just try. Just try if you don't doubt it. You understand? Yeah, my loves. Anyways, thank you all for tuning in. We've come to the end of another video. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself. And I will see you all in another video. Peace out. Much love. See you later. Have a safe, wonderful, and productive day. Big up on yourself. Bye-bye.